Welcome back to this training series. In this video, you're going to learn how to fix valuable inventory, no content on your site. After applying for Google Adsense approval for your site and you get valuable inventory, no content, it simply means that there are not enough contents on your site to get Google Adsense approval. To fix this is very easy, just like fixing valuable inventory, insufficient content, or not enough content. All you have to do is post more articles on your site that are unique and valuable to users. Once you have done that, valuable inventory, no content will be totally resolved on your site. If this is your first time of watching our video, please like, comment if you have any question, subscribe to get more videos on AdSense. I will see you in the next video.